I'll be showing you how to replace the wheel bearing on a Lexus 2007, 2008, 250 LS. I already took the wheel off. You're gonna want to go ahead and wire the wheels down. If you have a nice rim like this and has the hole, you can go ahead and just take the axle nut out, because you're gonna take it out later. I already loosened it up. That's the first thing you want to do before starting anything, because you have all this pressure and everything. Just take this lug nut out first. And I used a 30mm socket. And now we're gonna go ahead and tackle the caliper, and these are gonna be 14mm bolts. So you got one up here, and then you got one in the bottom. We're gonna take the caliper out, and then we're gonna go for the bracket after. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take that 14mm. I'm using 916. That should work just fine. I do mobile mechanics, so I'll leave some tools behind. I do have the 14, but it's hot. So it's like 107 degrees out here. I'm already sweating like crazy. Oh, you go and remove those two bolts off the caliper that hold it in. And then if it's a little tight, you just want to get a pry, you know, like a flathead or something. And you gotta put that to the side. Now we're gonna go ahead and go tackle these bracket bolts, which are 17mm, I believe. We'll find out right now. Let's see. So we got a 17. Let's see if they fit. Oh yeah, see right there, 17. I'll see if I can put the camera down again here. I'm gonna go ahead and just tackle those 17s. So you're gonna want to go up with it. So this way, lefty loosey. All right. Take the 17 out. To make my life much easier, I'm just gonna break them, and then after I'm gonna use my impact gun, so I can just loosen them up faster. All right, that's loosened up. I'm gonna go ahead and get a 17. All right, we're gonna go to 17 with the impact gun. Make my life much easier. All right, caliper bracket out, and we're gonna go and take right here, rotor. I'm gonna go ahead and take. You're gonna want to put this somewhere and make sure it doesn't hang or kind of break this line. That's another issue. So take this rotor out, put it to the side, and then we're gonna go ahead and tackle these 4 bolts. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll show you in the back. I don't know if you can see it, but 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, and those are 17mm bolts there. So again, we might just do it with the impact gun. We'll see. Let's see if Milwaukee got this. Right. Yeah. Oh yeah. Milwaukee, baby. Let's go. That's 1. All right, camera fell. It's all good. That's 2. And we're gonna turn the wheel to the other side. Turn the wheel to this side. You got these 2 right here. See if I can get 1, 2. And then you got the ABS sensor, which you wanted to definitely take that off. Actually, I lied. You might not need to, but we're going to, just in case, so it won't break when I take the bearing out. Yeah, so these 2, and we'll see if we have to take this out or not. We'll check in a second. The 17 right here, you're gonna have the tie rod end on the side, so you're gonna want to use a ratchet here. So lefty loosey. Hopefully we could take it out without taking the. Oh yeah, we probably will, because I'm gonna do is turn the wheel that way to give me that lever or that room space. Take this nut out, or we could probably just leave the nut in there if it comes out far enough, you know, and then we don't gotta take the tie rod out or move the wheel. It's fucking hot today. It's like 110 degrees today, I swear. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to turn the wheel more that way. Wheel just enough to give me that room. All right. Well, it should come right out. I could just leave it in there. We'll see. Let me see. We'll just leave it right there. That's fine. And just to be safe, I am gonna take that 10mm right here with that sensor, just to be safe. Rather be safe than sorry. So you got the 10mm out, and you got right here the sensor. We're just gonna move it to the side right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and finish off the axle nut. So we're gonna go ahead and put the 30 in there. Real quick, put that in there, and let's take it out. Hold on. All right, it's coming out. There we go. All right, Milwaukee took it out. Let's go, baby. And we're just gonna go ahead and bang this, and hopefully it comes off without no issues. right, just like that, comes right out. Look, old part, that's just really bad. You can just hear how bad it is. Then you got this. We're gonna go ahead and wire brush all this stuff. We're gonna wire brush it, put some anti-seize in there so it won't rust up again. Put the new part and ready to go. Brushed it. Then we're gonna use some of this anti-seize right here, baby. And we're just gonna put some around right here. Put some in here. I might put some on the axle too, why not? Make everything much easier. It's too hot, man. It's like 100 degrees out right now. I'm sweating. I can't say that word on YouTube, I think. I'm not sure, but you guys already know what I meant. And I put some right here, fuck it. Look at that, looks like a brand new part. All right, so after that, it's just reverse with everything. That, you replace your wheel bearing, easy, job done. I took out the, you know, the sensor just to be safe, but you know, you don't really need to take it off. So again, what I use for tools, right? For tools, this is what I use. This little dandy, you know, got the 17, 19, 16, 18. I used the 17 on this one. The 10 millimeter. You can use a wrench, like I said, you can use one of these. And then with the impact gun, I used a 17 for these bolts to make it easier, but you can use a regular 17. And then for the axle nut, that's gonna be a 30. And again, this is a quick video on how to get it replaced. I did this under 30 minutes with the impact tools, and plus because it's hot as hell out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this job. But if you learn anything in this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, notifications on so you won't miss another video. And that's a quick video on how to replace the wheel bearing on your 250 Lexus LS or IS, whatever it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learned something. Make sure you guys hit me up with any work you guys got on Facebook. You guys already know, Carlos Garcia. Inbox me if you're around the area locally. This guy actually came from Rhode Island, and I'm in Connecticut, from Rhode Island too, so I can do the job. So without further ado, love you guys. I got this little new tool. Customer gave it to me. I got a radio, Bluetooth, a fan, light. I love it. Customers giving me gifts, I love it. But this is what I do. I do this because I make customers happy and because I love my job. This is a hobby to me. But without further ado, hopefully we're in better places in the future. So all that like, share, and all the comments will be much appreciated. I'll see you guys in the next video. Much love, your boy, CG Fix.